Okay, my Audi A2 1.4 liter TDI developed no start problem, and it seems to be related how much fuel I have in my tank, because now there's about 10 liters only left in the tank and it doesn't want to start. And how to get it started? You need to have start booster. I usually buy silicone spray, but this is what I could find last time. So we put 5 seconds of this, about 1, 2, 3, 4, okay, 4 seconds. And then we go to the car. And first it won't start, but after about 4 seconds of starting it should start. Just like that. That's the easiest way you can do it. You need to start a little bit longer when you put it there, but it seems to work. Normally I remove the intake hose and to put it there you need just like 1 second or 1.5 seconds of injection, but that's difficult. This one is quite easy to take off.